No, okay. Hi students. Good morning. ठीक है. Yesterday we have completed third module, so I'll begin with the fourth module. Third one was about marketing and about sales and uh, how to go about the marketing plan of a business. In the fourth one, it is about the financial part and which are the government agencies or where you can arrange finance, because arranging finance is the most difficult part of any business or any venture. Okay, you can plan out marketing, you can do marketing, but it is very difficult for you to arrange for the finance, because the person whom you are approaching for the finance should get convinced with your business idea and should be ready to invest in your business, because he'll be very worried about how the business will go, and what will be the future of his money which he has invested. So this fourth module deals with the financial part of the business. Okay. The fourth module we will study what is an entrepreneurial finance, what are the internal sources from where the business can get the finance, and what are the external sources, and what are the financial needs. पैसों की जरूरत किस लिए है? Okay, why we need to create a budget, why we need to plan the finance and implement it in the business, and what are the different components of financial plan. Financial plan में क्या क्या आएगा, ये है क्या? Then the next part of this module is about the different institutions in India which are supporting the entrepreneurs. Okay, which are supporting the small scale industries, and which are supporting the medium scale micro MSME sectors, which are those who are supporting. And other than that, there are institutions like SIDBI, NABARD, IDBI, SIDCO, Indian Institute of Entrepreneur, DIC, single window. बहुत सारे government organizations है which support the startups, which supports the MSME sector, so that their business can grow. Because one golden rule for any economy, if the medium and small scale industry, small medium enterprises grow, the boost in the economy which will be much higher. Then only the top companies, top 4, top 5, top 10 companies, if they are growing, the growth of the economy will not be as fast as compared to the growth of medium and small scale industries. ठीक है. तो उसके लिए there is a huge requirement for, so there is a huge requirement, that huge need requirement to develop these small scale industries. ठीक है. तो ये कौन से इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो सपोर्ट करते हैं गवर्नमेंट के, दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इन दिस मॉड्यूल. ठीक है. तो ये भी छोटा ही मॉड्यूल है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. Yeah, write present sir in the chat box, everyone. ठीक है. So first thing is about estimating the financial need. ठीक है. What are the requirements? Okay. uh, why the money is needed, and how we need to plan it. ठीक है. In marketing we will plan the demand for, first we will do the demand forecasting, what will be the demand of our product. Then we will start marketing of our product. ठीक है. To which of the region, then segmentation के बाद में we'll do the segmentation, then we start the marketing, then we give it for the production, and then once we get the products, we begin with the sales push in our region, in segment what we have segmented. ऐसे करके कुछ तो प्लानिंग होता है मार्केटिंग का. तो सिमिलरली एक फाइनेंस का भी प्लानिंग रहेगा. सो बिफोर प्लानिंग ऑफ दैट ऑफ फाइनेंसिंग, विल फोरकास्ट द सेल्स, कि सेल्स कितना कितना होगा हम लोग के प्रोडक्ट्स का, in which region, how many products can be sold, for how many. ठीक है. फोरकास्टिंग सेल्स में in which region our sales will be there, how much will be the sales. In the demand forecasting, which we have studied in the economics in the second chapter, in the last part, demand forecasting there were many ways. Using those ways we'll find out what will be the demand, and our demand which is forecasted will be almost similar to the sales which we are forecasting. ठीक है, वो mostly दोनों same ही है, demand forecasting and sales forecasting. So the demand of a products need whoa, the demand of a products is similar to the demand the sales which are forecasting. अरे यार, I'm so sorry about that noise. Okay. Then the second one is about pro forma income statements. Now, after we have forecasted the sales, okay, then we will come to income statements. Okay, income statement which you have studied in accounts. Income statement में the first thing sales आ गया from right side. Sales we have got it from the left side. We'll calculate what are the expenses. Okay, so sales we have forecasted. Then now we'll go on forecasting the expenses. How much expense for the manufacturing, how much expenses for the marketing, how much expenses for the transportation, how much expense for the advertising. All these expenses, along with the wages, salaries of the workers, all these expenses included, we will make a pro forma income statement. एक income statement बनाएंगे, a kind of a forecasting of income statement. जैसे in the next year, in the years, how much will be our income and how much we can get a profit. So once we get that from a profit, be a forecasted profit, then we'll go on to make cash flows. Pro forma cash flow क्यों important है? Exactly. Cash flow is why important is you have calculated what is your sales. Okay, you have calculated how much is your expenses, but you should have some liquid cash with you to start the business, to pay to your suppliers, to your and to your employees, and any other expenses which will come while doing the business. So cash requirement is very important. So that's the reason whenever you are analyzing in a company as well, ठीक है, ये syllabus के बाहर का है. When you are analyzing a company, you are doing a financial analysis of a company, financial strength of a company. When you are finding out all these things, then along with cash flow, along with income statement and balance sheet, you should also need to um, I mean calculate the cash flow of the कंपनी. दी ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लो कैसा है, फाइनेंसिंग कैश फ्लो कैसा है, देन ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लो, फाइनेंसिंग कैश फ्लो, इन्वेस्टिंग कैश फ्लो. You need to find out that as well, because the profit on the book will be very high, crores में रहेगा profit, but actually the cash with the company will be very less, not in crores, okay, maybe in lakhs. So that's the reason cash flow analysis becomes important in the business. So from few decades, this cash flow has been included along in the analysis of the financial statements of the company. So balance sheet no doubt important है, income statement भी no doubt important है, but cash flow statement भी बहुत important है. So cash, how the flow of cash is when you are buying something on credit, you have 30-day credit period, so 30 days that you have time to hold the cash. Then you are doing expenses, so after those expenses, when the sales is happening, you are getting money. So within 30 days you need to pay to the creditors also. So within 30 days you have to get the sales, get the money, and you should be in a state that you can be you will easily be able to pay to your creditors. So cash कैसे उधर flow हो रहा है, भले इधर बहुत profit हो रहा है sales में, but the money which you are getting from the sales is after 1 month. So you are defaulting on your creditors. क्रेडिटर्स को पैसा देना है बट नहीं दे सकते 1 मंथ में, बिकॉज सेल्स हुआ है ऑन पेपर बट यू हैव नॉट गॉट मनी विद इन 1 मंथ. So on paper you will show profit, but there will be a what you say, the creditors will be unhappy with you. You will not be able to fulfill the commitment of yours towards your creditors. So ऐसे हो जाएगा. So cash flow जो cash flows है, that becomes the important part. So how you will put your cash and how the cash flow will happen in your entire ecosystem of your industry, of your company, that you need to make it estimate करेंगे कि कितना कैसे cash flow होगा. Okay, then you will make your performer balance sheet. When you are making a business plan, you need to make this. ठीक है, ऐसा है. तो बैलेंस शीट बनाना है. बैलेंस शीट में व्हाट विल बी योर एसेट्स विल बी, बिकॉज अभी तक खरीदा नहीं है या खरीद रहे हैं, Okay, so this is not the balance sheet after you have bought the assets or you have incurred the liabilities, but ये पहले वाला है. Okay, so you will make the balance sheet. You will, what assets will be there, what liabilities will be there, how much capital you will be putting it in the business. ये सब you will form a balance sheet. So balance sheet will give you an idea कि what is the requirement of money, where is the requirement of money. Okay, balance sheet will give you that. Balance sheet is also called as a screenshot or a snapshot of your business. एक पेज में जैसे we have did a business model canvas, एक एक sheet में or one in one canvas or one page you will get to know what is the business exactly. So in the balance sheet also, in one sheet you will get the information of the entire financial strength of the company. Current assets कितने, liabilities कितने. Using balance sheet you can find many ratios, the liquidity ratio, profitability ratio, uh, and many such ratios you can easily find out from only from balance sheet. ठीक है. Income statement से the remaining ratios you can find out. Then cash flows, the third but the important part. ये तीन चीजों से, income statements, balance sheets and cash flows, you can easily find out the financial strength of the company and the financial requirement of the company also. ठीक है. तो यहाँ से ना we'll get to know कि कितना पैसों की जरूरत है और कितना हम लोग को चाहिए, और what we have and how much we need to ask. And the final one is the break even analysis. ठीक है, ये भी हम लोग ने पढ़ा है इकोनॉमिक्स में भी, अकाउंट्स में भी. ब्रेक इवन एनालिसिस, वी विल फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स टू बी सोल्ड इन द मार्केट so that we can achieve at least zero profit zero loss situation. So if my sales forecast is less than my break even analysis, that means my sales forecast says that I'll be able to sell 20 lakh products, but my break even analysis is 25 lakhs, then better I not enter into this business. ठीक है, मैं इतना सेल्स ही नहीं कर सकता कि मेरा ब्रेक इवन भी निकले. इफ माय ब्रेक इवन इज आल्सो नॉट गेटिंग मेट बाय द सेल्स, देन बेटर मैं बिजनेस ही नहीं जाता, बिजनेस में एंटर नहीं करूँगा. ओके, सो ये एक वन ऑफ द मेथड है टू फाइंड आउट वेदर यू शुड एंटर अ बिजनेस और नॉट. तो सेल्स फोरकास्ट should be greater than definitely break even analysis, और that break even product or break even cost amount. दो किया था ना ब्रेक इवन का, टू डिफरेंट फॉर्मूलाज विद. ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम दीज 6 स्टेटमेंट्स, 1 2 3 4 5, सॉरी, फ्रॉम दीज 5 थिंग्स we'll come to know what is the financial need, whether we should go for a business or not. ठीक है. when we understand this, oh हाँ, वही मैं सोचा 6th है, perform a source and application of the funds. I'll do it in the next slide. ठीक है. sources of the funds, applications of the funds. ये बैलेंस शीट जैसा लग रहा है. sources of the funds, okay, from where I'll get the money, where I'll apply the money. This is similar to kind of a balance sheet. In the new schedule 6 uh, of the accounting terminology, where you make a balance sheet, you don't have a T-shaped balance sheet. In that you have a you will have what do you say, assets on the top, then liabilities, then the capital. So okay, like that. So schedule 6 में ऊपर नीचे होता है assets, liabilities. So in that you don't call them assets and liabilities, you call them sources and application of the funds. So similar to that, so sources of the finance or sources of funds कहाँ से आते हैं? First of all, there are some debt or equity financing. ठीक है. Debt means you will be taking loans from the bank, from the institutions, from your known people, anything. So debt will be a kind of a finance where regular interest payments will be there along with the principal. So fixed amount you need to pay, whether you are having a good profit, excellent profit in your business, or excellent loss. Okay, so बहुत loss है, बहुत profit है, the amount which you are paying is fixed. Loan है, interest है. Equity में you are providing the person the share in your company. So if you are having good profit, supernatural profits, you will be sharing that profit with him or her. Or if you are having a loss, you will not be able to share anything. He'll also face the loss, because he is the kind of a owner of your company. He has the share in your company. So equity financing is beneficial, is technically beneficial itself. Okay? Because the main purpose of the business is to make, at least to sustain in the market initially and to make profit in future, or initially profit से ही start करेंगे जैसे भी है. The main purpose of the finance is profit. सॉरी, द बिजनेस इज प्रॉफिट. तो उसके लिए इक्विटी फाइनेंसिंग में कम प्रॉफिट भी आ सकता है, ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट भी आ सकता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द बिजनेस विच इज बीइंग कैरिड आउट. सो जो इक्विटी फाइनेंसिंग में, द पर्सन हु हैव बॉट द शेयर्स ऑफ द बिजनेस विल बी एंजॉइंग प्रॉफिट्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द बिजनेस. डेट में अगर अच्छा भी बिजनेस हो रहा है, ही विल गेट द फिक्स्ड अमाउंट. अच्छा बिजनेस नहीं भी हो रहा है, ही विल गेट द फिक्स्ड अमाउंट. इफ द बिजनेस इज गेटिंग बैंकरप्ट, the company is getting bankrupt, then वो डेट वाले को जितना भी बचा कुछ है, he will get it. Then the remaining will be pending on his what do you say, bad debts के जैसा, it will be always pending. Okay, he need to write off the debts later on. तो equity financing में he will get more profit when the business is doing good, but when the business is no longer business becomes bankrupt, the company becomes bankrupt, he'll lose all the money. मतलब there will be no kind of a bad debts or doubtful debts on his balance sheet. It was just an investment which didn't materialize properly. So whenever we'll invest next time, we'll be more careful. That's it. So इसमें है ना, there are two internal sources and external sources. Internal sources will be your known people, you yourself, your family, friends. Internal sources. External sources will be banks and other investment firms or other investment people who will be interested in the business, venture capital or angel investors. बहुत सारे terminologies है उसके. So these are the external sources जो बाहर से हम लोग जाके लेके आएंगे. Okay, so first is internal sources is your personal funds. अब business start, you have started the business. Initially, from where you will bring the money, you will bring the money from your own pocket, from your savings, from whatever investment which you have did, you will take out those investment and you will put it in your business. ठीक है, straightforward है, personal funds. Whatever your savings were there, if you are opening up okay, last class we had discussed sole proprietorship, partnership. So if you are opening a sole proprietorship, it will be your money itself. Then if you are opening a partnership, then the partners will be investing the money, so that will also be considered as personal funds. So who are who are making the company, they are investing their funds. So personal funds में partnership, partners का भी partnership partners का भी funds will be considered as personal funds. ओके, तो पार्टनरशिप भी हो सकता है, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप भी हो सकता है. इनिशियली व्हेन यू स्टार्ट द बिजनेस, यू विल नॉट जस्ट फॉर्म अ कंपनी. ओके, इनिशियली द स्टार्ट विल बी स्लो. ठीक है, सो द फर्स्ट डे इटसेल्फ यू विल नॉट स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग अ कंपनी. ठीक है, सो पर्सनल फंड्स फ्रॉम प्रोप्राइटरशिप और अ पार्टनरशिप. ठीक है, डन. Then after personal funds are over, then you will go and ask your friends and family and friends. ठीक है सर, कि आई एम ओपनिंग अप अ बिजनेस एंड यू नीड टू टेल द पॉजिटिव as well as the negative of your business, how your business can succeed, how your business can fail, but how you will be, what are the strengths and what are the weakness of your businesses, and what are the opportunities ahead in the market where you can use those opportunities and you can grow the business. That also you need to tell. You need to tell the threats, what are the threats of the competitors and the government policies. You need to tell them as well. ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि ठीक है फैमिली या फ्रेंड्स है तो because they are the family members, because they are your friends, they need to give the money. It should not be like that. You should be in a state to convince that the business is good. You're approaching because you know the people, so you're approaching them after your personal funds have been emptied, खत्म हो गए. खत्म होने के बाद में your personal funds, you're approaching them first because they are your known people. It should not be an obligation कि हाँ हम लोग का friend है तो देना ही पड़ेगा पैसा. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be able to explain the business properly to them so that they will find कि हाँ ये अच्छा business हो सकता है. So that's the reason I'll be putting the money. Okay, many a times internal sources में ये क्या बोलते हैं, डिसएडवांटेज है या ऑब्लिगेशन जैसा हो जाता है कि बिकॉज आई नो द पर्सन, सो आई गिव सम मनी विदाउट नोइंग द बिजनेस ऑल्सो. तो इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. because they are the first people who you will be able to convince pretty well or easily. Okay, so because after the internal sources, you need to approach the external sources, to banks and the other investors who doesn't know you. So for them, you need to convince much more. मतलब, your convincing skills should be much more greater than what you have done in within family or friends. So अगर इधर भी convincing अच्छे से हो गया family and friends को, so then it will be easier for you to brush up your convincing skills to or explaining your business to the external sources. So internal sources में दो आ जाते हैं, personal funds and family and friends. ठीक है, ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस है, हाउ टू अप्रोच, how to finance the business. First thing was the earlier slide. You will make a budget, you will calculate what is the expenses and what is the sales which you can do. So you're doing a sales forecast, then you're building a income statement, then you're making a balance sheet and a cash flow statement. Okay, then you are finally doing a break even analysis. Okay, if my sales forecasted, my forecasted sales जो calculate किया है, from that if I remove all the expenses, then what will be how much I need to sell in the market. So break even analysis भी मेरे sales से कम है या नहीं है. Then after that you will start accumulating money for your business. You can do a test marketing or you can build a prototype मतलब एक छोटा सा product, एक या दो product, ठीक है, which will, you will not do a you will not start making the products. You will make one or two product in order to show it to your friends and families or to the extra when you are going for the investors कि सर ये देखो ये ऐसा product है. Okay, when mouse, जो computer mouse है, okay, first time it was just what do you say, a तीन बटन का था पहले, 3 button mouse was there, नीचे एक बॉल था. You didn't had a laser light which will detect the movement of the mouse. You had a ball at the bottom where the ball will roll, the cursor will move on the screen. So वैसा था. So that was one mouse made and put it in the front of the board of directors for the discussion of Xerox company. Xerox, हाँ Xerox company का. Then Apple bought it. ठीक है, वो story अलग कभी और. तो Apple bought वो जो भी हुआ mouse का, तो one mouse they had made as a prototype to keep it. ठीक है, when electric vehicles were in discussion 3 or 5 years before, so they had built one, there is a auto show, ठीक है, where they'll present the cars which they will be manufacturing in future. So उधर भी electric vehicles का एक एक कार रखते थे वो. So one car that will be called as a prototype. तो एक प्रोटोटाइप बना के you will keep it. तो उसका बनाने का expenses, everything you will do it from the personal funds, your internal sources. Then retained earnings from any other business if you have, और कुछ अदर दूसरा कोई बिजनेस था और ये नया स्टार्टअप है बट दूसरा कोई और बिजनेस था, जैसे ओला का इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, ओला का रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स वाज देयर फ्रॉम द बिजनेस ऑफ द टैक्सी सर्विसेज व्हिच दे वर प्रोवाइडिंग फ्रॉम मेनी years. So from taxi servicing services they had some retained earnings. They went on to losses after COVID, but they had some earnings which they had kept and not invested. So they have also used those earnings along with the other investments from the investors to start up their electric bike production. Okay. And tomorrow is the launch. I guess you can see it. I'm not marketing in that, but somewhere 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, which to launch hai, tomorrow for 15th August of Ola electric vehicles. You can just Google it and see. ठीक है. Then comes the external sources. External sources, first thing about banks. ठीक है, सबसे पहला चीज़ बैंक से आता है बिकॉज ठीक है. तो कम बैंक्स में यू कैन अप्रोच फॉर लोन्स, यू कैन अप्रोच फॉर कैपिटल फाइनेंसिंग फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक्स और कैश फ्लो फाइनेंसिंग. ठीक है, लोन्स एक बिजनेस लोन रहेगा जनरली. अभी इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है, banks will give loans on the basis of some collateral. कोलैटरल मतलब कुछ गिरवी रखना पड़ेगा, योर एनी एसेट बैक सिक्योरिटी जैसे बोलते हैं. So you need to put some asset on as a collateral with the bank to get the loan. If you are not able to repay the loan, the bank will take over the collateral. Generally ऐसे हो रहा है. तो बिजनेस लोन में यू नीड टू कीप सम एसेट्स ऑफ योर बिजनेस as a collateral to get the money. When if you're taking the money for 1 year, then it will be a kind of a working capital. If you're taking money for more than 1 year, it will be a kind of a financing of the business, investment के लिए या किसी के लिए भी, to buy the machines or to build the product or to pay the salaries of the workers. ठीक है. सो ये सब के लिए लोन्स यू विल टेक फ्रॉम द बैंक. ठीक है. आई नॉट गो इनटू डिटेल टाइप्स ऑफ लोन्स ये सब. ठीक है. बिजनेस लोन रहेगा, वर्किंग कैपिटल लोन रहेगा, इन्वेस्टमेंट लोन रहेगा. ठीक है. गुड्स के लिए लोन रहेगा. ठीक है. सो यू विल फर्स्ट इज यू विल अप्रोच बैंक. दैट इज नॉट द गुड way of external finance initially when you are doing a startup, because if your startup fails, you will not be able to repay the loan in the bank, and you will lose the your credibility and your credit rating as well. Okay. So not a good method initially to approach a commercial bank for your sources of finance. The best one was the internal sources. After that, you will go for the partnerships. Okay, better, because partnership में the person who will become your partner, he will also look into your business. ठीक है. Banks are least bothered what after they'll just see your credit rating, your ability to pay the money. ठीक है. ये दो चीज मेजर डिफरेंस यही है पार्टनरशिप या फिर इक्विटी फाइनेंसिंग में और डेट फाइनेंसिंग यूजिंग बैंक में. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू अ बैंक, your business idea can be excellent. The bank will not be that much interested in your business idea. The bank will see only that once they give you money, what is your financial strength to repay back the money. Your credit strength the bank will analyze. इतना ही analyze करेगा बैंक कि credit strength कितना है, ये repay कर सकता है कि नहीं. There might be two situations. The person who is having a business idea, having a good financial strength, will get more loan. But the other person who is having great business idea but not having much financial strength will get less loan. ठीक है. But the first person who is not who is having a business idea but not so creative, he is getting more loan. He has started the business has failed, but he can repay the bank. Okay, but that is not a good profit for the bank as well. ठीक है. बैंक को क्या मिला, बस थोड़ा सा लोन दिया था, वो रीपे कर दिया, वो भी because there was also a delay because he was not able to run the business properly, but he arranged finance from some other business and paid to the bank. It was not beneficial for the economy also. It was not beneficial for the businessman, and just bank was having a normal profit. The other case was the person who is having a great business idea, but he didn't had much more financial strength. बैंक ने उसको लोन दिया, कम लोन दिया, and he was able to repay the bank easily because he had a great business idea and which flourished in the market. And it was first of all the advantages, the economy grew. Okay. The industry grew in which the business he was doing. Okay. His what do you say, his profitability also increased. Okay. Then he can apply for much more higher loan, or he'll not go for loan, he'll go for the equity financing then later on. So bank faced a disadvantage. If the bank had given more loan to him, they would have got money easily and with more interest. ठीक है. सो बैंक का ये प्रॉब्लम है कि दे चेक द क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस ऑफ द क्लाइंट, नॉट द बिजनेस प्लान. So that's the reason partnership में the partner who is paying giving the money, or the equity financer, venture capital which we call. Venture capital किसको बोलते हैं, जैसे टाटा का भी है. You just put your business idea on the page of I don't remember the exact site name, but Tata has a website where you can put your business idea, and if they like the business idea, they will call you itself. Or you need to put some presentation, and you need to put your idea how you are going to implement exactly. Okay, what will be your product or service, how for which segment of the society it will be catering to. तो ये सब कैसे करेंगे? If the Tata likes, they will finance your project, they will give you money to do this business. Okay. So in that case, you don't need to pay Tata the interest amount. Okay, they'll be having a share of profit in your business, but no interest payment or nothing like that. Okay, so if your business grows very well, you are having good profit, Tata will also enjoy the profit. Okay, so this is an advantage in this equity financing or partnership. तो एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज ऑफ फाइनेंसिंग में ये हो गया, पार्टनरशिप्स हो गया, देन गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट्स है. गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट्स, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर बताता हूँ, अभी ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे. गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट्स क्या है? व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ स्टार्टअप, देयर आर मेनी सच ग्रांट्स विच मेनी पीपल डोंट नो अबाउट. वन सच इंसिडेंट वाज, ये मुंबई का इंसिडेंट है. एक वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड वाज देयर फ्रॉम गुजरात. सो his uncle or some relative was from a very small village from a Gujarat, but he had a poultry farm. Okay, वो poultry farm के लिए he has raised some 5 crores of rupees from NABARD. NABARD या सिडको, हाँ NABARD से शायद. ठीक है, just a small poultry farm in a small village in Gujarat, he has raised 5 crores from NABARD. Why? Because he had maintained the documents, he has all the tax receipts, he has all the documentation work done properly, and he knew how to approach NABARD and how to get money from there. ठीक है, उसको प्रोसेस पता था, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वर्क ही हैड डिड प्रॉपरली. सो फॉर जस्ट अ स्मॉल पोल्ट्री फार्म, ही गॉट इन अ स्मॉल विलेज, ही हैड गॉट 5 crores फंडिंग फ्रॉम NABARD. ठीक है, देर आर मेनी स्कीम्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट्स विच the entrepreneurs are not aware of it. ठीक है, they need to maintain some documents, they need to have a check on that as well. Sources of finance में generally we put our money, our family's money, we go for the bank for interest, but there are certain schemes and there are keep on scheme for every government every year. Some or the other schemes keeps on coming, some of the other advantages keeps on coming. Some subsidies on maybe using this solar panels, and some subsidies on using electricity, electric vehicles का इसका उसका बहुत सारे subsidies and बहुत सारे benefits which the government gives. ठीक है, many entrepreneurs are not aware of it. ठीक है, and ठीक है, ये business point of view से है. Whenever, ठीक है, ये normal और कुछ है क्या? हाँ, private financing, वो ठीक है. Bootstrap and this too I'll do it in the next class, private or bootstrap. ठीक है, एक वन और टू इंसिडेंसेस. ठीक है, माय मेनी फ्रेंड्स वेयर, अरे यार, ठीक है, मैं व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई, माय मेनी फ्रेंड्स वेयर फ्रॉम गुजरात एज वेल. सो उनके काफ़ी इंस्टेंसेस है बिजनेस रिलेटेड. सो whenever there is also a example in Belgaum as well, in Pangud Galli जहाँ पे भी है. ठीक है, so whenever a businessman starts a business, okay, in their what do you say, in their locality या फिर in their friends and families, whenever business start, there are 2 or 3 business together in one market. Imagine that. ठीक है, 2-3 business है. ठीक है, इधर दो, क्या हो गया? ठीक है, ऐसे 4 businesses है, एक market है बड़ा सा. Okay, one customer is coming here. Okay, he is asking for a product in this shop. ठीक है, this shop owner tells, I don't have the product. ठीक है, literally he doesn't have the product, so he tells, I don't have the product, you can go to this shop, you will find the product. So customer will go here and find the product, and customer buys the product and he'll go. So this shop, okay, so and suppose next time another customer comes in this shop. ठीक है, there is some another product which this customer is asking, which this shop owner doesn't have. He tells, okay, go to this shop, you will find the product. So this customer go to this shop, finds the product. In this case, what is happening? If these two shopkeepers are not rivals in this case, okay, they are doing a kind of a sales which is collaborative sales. जैसे इसके पास नहीं है तो मैं इसके पास सेंड करता हूँ, और else इसके पास भेजना भी नहीं है, he this shop owner will go to this shopkeeper and he will buy the product from him and give it to the customer. He'll never say no to the customer. नहीं है, हमारे पास नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे. And they will help each other. They'll not be rivals. ठीक है, they will do a collaborative, मतलब एक साथ में सेल्स करेंगे. So that is the difference he used to tell. ठीक है, many a times I'll not name, but many a times in Belgaum, also in some parts of Mumbai, also whenever we used to go to buy a product, if there is the product is not available, he used to say we don't have. कहाँ मिलेगा पता नहीं. ठीक है, that is not a good marketing or a sales technique. You once this shopkeeper knows कि ये वाला हम लोग के पास भेजता है customer, so he will also send to him, or he'll also send to him, or to him, or to him, like that. So all the four are doing the business. They are helping each other in the business. Okay, and they will not cut the price. Suppose the same product is there in all the four shops, it will not be it will not be happening that. Some products will be there only specific to this shop. Some products will be only specific to this shops. Even if the shops are selling the same products, they will sell the products at almost the same price. They will not do a red ocean कि सबसे मैं कम में मैं सेल करता हूँ करके. भले मेरे को लॉस हो रहा है, बट इनका बिजनेस खत्म करना है मेरे को. ये तीनों को मार्केट से बाहर लेके जाना है. I'll sell the products at a very lesser price. That will also be not done. They will sell the products at a reasonable price. Wherever the customer goes, they will be they'll not be having a red ocean strategy. ठीक है, so this is a collaborative sales. So entrepreneurship में भी ऐसे collaboration चाहिए. So when the bigger players will come, like big bazaar, ये बड़े बड़े दुकान आएंगे ना, they'll not be able to get hold, because they will be doing a collaborative sales. If they are doing rivalry with these three people, he'll not be able to compete with the big businesses. So kind of a collaborative sales in APMC. यहाँ पे मैं नहीं गया, but APMC markets में भी, when you go to buy some anything, okay, in a lot, the what do you say, अगर राइस ही खरीदने जा रहे हैं, 5 kg of rice of any one basmati, if you are going, and if you are going, the price which the first shopkeeper will offer you, that price will be same throughout the APMC market. He will not reduce the price because they have agreed to that price. This is also kind of a oligopoly which they'll be making. But ये बहुत important है businessman के लिए. If one businessman reduces the prices, it will affect all the other business people, and eventually it will affect him as well. So collaborative sales and collaborative marketing forms a very important part. This is from the ground, which I'm telling, not from the book which I'm telling. ठीक है, there are many such instances from my Gujju friends. ठीक है, I'll be sharing it in the next class as well. ठीक है, थोड़े दिन पहले बात हुआ, so many things I remember. ठीक है, so well, any doubts you have? Nothing. ठीक है, then we'll wind up. चलो, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.